Let's explore some tips and tricks for backing into a parking space. Before backing into a parking space, check all mirrors and signal right to indicate your intentions. Then, edge slightly closer to the parking spaces, being cautious of any other vehicles parked in the adjacent stalls. Align the passenger side door handle with the right parking space line. Next, turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and check all mirrors, as well as your left blind spot. When it is clear, let the vehicle move forward at a 45-degree angle without using the accelerator until you can see the left parking space line in the passenger side mirror. Now, come to a complete stop. Shift into reverse, turn the steering wheel all the way to the right, head check in all directions, and slowly allow the vehicle to reverse back into the parking space. Once you're in the parking space, turn the wheel back 1.5 times to straighten the tires. Then allow the vehicle to creep back to fully enter the parking space. To exit, check your surroundings and allow the vehicle to slowly creep forward. Remember, we should always be covering the brake as we enter and exit the parking space. Allow the front passengers or half the vehicle to exit the parking space before turning the steering wheel in the direction you wish to exit.